Abuti, say hello to the children.
Molweni bantwana.
Today we're learning about things you find in the kitchen. Are you ready, kids? What is the word for knife in isiXhosa? Very good, imela. And what is the word for fork in isiXhosa? Very good, ifolokhwe. Now what is the word for plate in isiXhosa? That's right, ipleyiti. And the word for spoon in isiXhosa? Very good, icephe. And what is glass in isiXhosa? Very good, iglasi. And pot in isiXhosa? That's right, imbiza. So, we have imela, ifolokhwe, ipleyiti, icephe, iglasi, and imbiza. And now you can use these words in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti.
Nisale kakuhle.